Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Adriana here again for Couture Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to create a nice little envelope using the Couture Creations Mini Scoreboard. This little tool is a great tool for actually creating all your score lines in all your projects, but also has a guideline on creating nice little envelopes for housing a little card, or actually just making a nice little score on your projects. So this is my layout using the Steampunk collection papers and dies and nice cut foil and embossed dies, and I've used a nice little cut foil and embossed little love seal and adding that to my layout. So I've used the mini scoreboard and this is what it looks like. It's quite a nice size. It's 5 1/8 of an inch by 7 inches. It actually holds and includes a score tool or bone folder. On the back there is a guide, and on the back of this it also has all the sizes of all the different card size in inches and in centimeters. It tells you the paper size and also the scale mark. You have a score line down the center going diagonally, and that also a scale mark on the side of your mini scoreboard. So this one here, I'm going to create the 2 and 3.5 inch envelope. The paper size needs to be 5 by 5 inches square. I'm placing the edge of the paper up against the scale mark, which is on the side, and for this size I need 2 inches. So I line it up straight, and then I just use the bone folder to give a nice little crease or score line on that side of the paper. Turning around 90 degrees, I line that score line with the score guide. It says on the actual scoreboard, score guide, and with that I just run down the bone folder again down the score line to give a nice little crease. I turn it 90 degrees again. I place the edge on the score guide and run down with my bone folder on the score line. Really important that you follow this directly on 90 degrees. Again, that edge there is lined up with the score guide, and then I'd use the bone folder to go down the score line. So there it is. It's quite easy to create a beautiful little unique envelope. There's one more step there I'd like to show you before you quite glue them all together, all the sides together. But just using a pair of scissors, we're just going to cut the little triangle that's in between. You can see the nice little triangle. I've done a little bit closer shot here. You can just cut those out. That way when you're folding up the envelope, it doesn't bulk up as much. It's quite good that it holds it all together quite nice and flat. The other tool that I'm going to show you now is using the rounded and inverted punch. This punch does inverted edges on that side and rounded edges on the inside. So I'm just going to punch a rounded edge on all the edges. I think it finishes off the envelopes quite nicely. So there you have, that's how you use the mini scoreboard with the bone folder. The guide is helping you, give you the guide of all the envelope sizes in inches and in centimeters. And then I just used a Steampunk cut and create little seal, the love little seal. This is a gorgeous one. I inked that up with some bronze pigment ink, placed a piece of white cardstock and run that through my die cutting machine, and I've got a beautiful embellished little love seal, which doesn't have to be foiled. It can just be used with your pigment inks. So there you have how do you use this mini scoreboard. It's a great, fabulous tool for creating great little envelopes or just scoring cardstock for your projects. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in the link below. Thanks for watching.